Hi everyone, we got a Ram today. 6.7 liter turbo diesel Cummins engine. 2500. That's big truck. It's a really heavy big truck. We got for pre-delivery today. And we have to look everything before handling the customer before handing to customer. So we have to check leakage, all the systems, functions are working, software updates, any bulletin campaign, everything. Firstly, check the VIN number. This is going to match the system. We can't show you because of the safety reason. There's many things we will not show you. Sorry for that. And that's sort of hard job, but we have to look everything for we have to follow all the steps. Like, and there's maybe, I think so, we have 13 pages. So in each page, like 10 to 15 steps. So we have to go with that one. You can see thus taking the photo for the owner manual book or warranty books. They ask for the book photo as well for this for system. We are doing the right things on the. So we have to look everything. Asking walk around, and took the photo of all four corners. The Kims make a heavy big engine, eh? Still big. 6.7 liter engine. And we have to ride the odometer first, in first page, because after last page we have to drive like 10 kilometers. For the road test, to have a look, everything is good, working fine on them. So then after we go with DDC guide, DDC diagnostic. So is there any fault on the last? The last time, I'm just driving a 6.7 liter turbo, same one. So I just got off fault in the turbo speed sensor. After I drive before that one where I got the car, there's no fault, no engine light on, nothing like that. And then after drive 6 or 7 kilometer, I got engine light on. But after I checked the 6GA, cried that turbo speed sensor. So that's why we have to drive a proximeter 5 kilometer before handling to the customer. So we have to take all these things, clean, seals we had to check, like seat belts, everything like that. It's good to work on Ram. You know, I have to fit the number plate. Or I can say that. Or we can say that the plastic piece as well. A little hard because I have no camera, so I'm just holding the phone by one hand, doing job another hand, so it's good, but it's good. It's good. The Cummins engine, 6.7 liter. How big? Battery test? Battery test, every alternator, everything. It's working fine. Now I'm checking the hinges. All the doors are working good, our clean hinges are clean, and now everything. But sometimes the hinges doesn't close properly and it make tech noise. And it when we open, it's make a little hard sometimes, so that's why we have to check everything before to give to customer. Swim with Nala. Swinking. Here's the next step. Next step. So we have to track all seat belts. It's clicking. Whereas check the mirror seatbelts, like you have to stretch the seatbelt is going back or not. Sometimes it's stuck, sometimes in middle, so it's good to check before. All the seatbelts. After the seat belt, the next step, check the driver's seat adjustment properly, or including handset, headset. It's moving forward, back, and inclining. Good. It's working perfect. Going up and down, climbing. Everything is good. Pause. After the checking this one, the next step, yeah. So, do the memory, set the memory for the seat. When you open the door, it should come the same way. Wherever you want to, you can set the seat memory. I have to check the windows. Auto windows are going up and down with one click. I can't show you the software upgrades, or because of that, we'll show the VIN number. So it's for the safety matters. You can't go with that one. I'm just showing the basic things. Sunweisen. After the sun was the check console, central console. It's moving forward, up and down. Checking adjusting the mirror. It's working or not. If it's not working on the same spot, we have to take the video or photo, and we have to upload it. And then after that, guys, after adding any faulty things, or we have to upload the video or photo, the warranty guys, they send new parts and we replace it. We have to replace it. before giving to the customer. We are check the meter, we check the MAF ICM, maps working, which software version. All the functions are good. We are changing date and time. Steering buttons are working. Everything. Check the cruise, yeah. So we have to go for drive or check the cruise. Checking AC is working, is giving a good coil. All systems are working, seats getting heat, vent, everything. The rear door opens, so that's why he's not getting close. Now moving towards the engine side, checking all the fluids, coolant, engine oil, steering oil, brake fluid, transmission oil. Checking under the car, there's no leak, nothing, no rust. Diff. All the leaks, we have to check all the seals. Looking all the flutes. Leakage. Now, it's for mats now. New mats. Cause after that I'm gonna be go for a wash. The wash guys, they will do the cleaning properly and do the vacuum. Everything. Now everything is almost checked. Been pretty level. Now now it's for driving test. Now I'm for driving for like driving 12 kilometer, 10 kilometer. Then after we have